If you're starting a YouTube channel and you're thinking AdSense doesn't pay that much, why should I even care about it? You're really missing the point. Because AdSense isn't about the money at first. It's about the proof. If you're new or if you've been thinking about starting a channel, you're probably stuck watching videos, learning everything you can, but you're still not posting. You're overthinking. You're waiting for that perfect setup. But what you actually need is momentum. And this is why I believe AdSense is one of the most important things for beginners to focus on. And the reason being is not because it makes you rich or anything like that, but because it shows you that this works. Posting videos works and makes me money. Now, I remember when I was making videos about DoorDash that I talked about in other videos, I wasn't making thousands of dollars all the time. But when that first money came in, even when it was small, it changed everything for me. Because now it wasn't about just the views. It wasn't the likes. It was real money from something that I created. That's the part people don't talk about enough. When you see even like a few dollars coming in, something clicks. It doesn't matter how much. But you go from, is this worth it? Like considering, am I doing it? Is it going to be making me money? To, how do I do more of this? It's that shift that is everything, because now you see the money that is coming in from what you created. As a beginner, you don't need the fancy editing, the expensive equipment, the perfect lighting. You need a way to record, a title, and a thumbnail, like I said before. And you definitely need a reason to keep going. And AdSense becomes that reason. So stop looking at AdSense like it only pays a few dollars, it's not worth it, not worried about it, right? I want you to start looking at it like, I just proved that I can make money online. Because once you prove it once, you can scale that business, right? And yeah, later on, there are better ways to make money, which I mentioned before. You have digital products, you have affiliate links, courses, community, but none of that matters right now. Because if you don't start, it means nothing. AdSense is your first win. So if you're thinking about starting a channel, stop waiting, stop overthinking, just start posting. Because the moment you see that first dollar come in, you're never going to look at YouTube the same again like I did. This is your sign. Just start.